YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. So again, we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 or the AquaNaut 450. This is their four-wheel cleaner meant for those larger diving pools. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove the large drive gear, which is located right here in the front. As you guys can tell from the intro to now, the cleaner has been stripped down to pretty much the basics. If you guys want to know how we did that, check out the links in the description. We've got a playlist available for you guys that'll take you from the outside in. You will need to follow a lot of those videos in order to get the actual internals of the cleaner exposed like I do right now. So once you guys have actually removed the main drive shaft kit, the next one I'm aiming for is this large white gear that's located right here in the front. And as you guys can tell, there's not a way for me to be able to just slide the gear out after that drive kit came out, and you're going to need to work it out this direction. So first thing you can do is actually just grab a hold of that axle and pull it out. And then you're going to have some bearings located in there. So again, you're still not going to have quite enough wiggle room. So I actually use this large gear to help push those bearings back out on the side of the frame so that I can get those out. And then once you do that, you've got full access here to be able to pull out the large gear. So once this large gear is out, again, really important as it helps drive the whole side, the whole right side of the cleaner. It helps also drive this main turbine. So if this is damaged, or it's not lined up correctly, you're not going to actually get the functionality that you want out of this cleaner. So make sure that you guys take the time, take this thing apart, look at your gears, and make sure everything's working properly before you guys move on to trying to locate a different cleaner. And yeah, once again, there are two bearings located on this side. So once I push the one out, obviously you're going to need to stick your finger in and be able to slide out the other bearing. It's very similar to those rear wheel drive shafts. It is slightly longer as it does need to stick out farther on this side to be able to grab the inside of the right wheel. So they are different. Again, check out the links in the description. We've got a full part breakdown for you guys available on our website, so you guys can kind of go through and see which part you need. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner and other Hayward cleaners, as well as all the other cleaners out there. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.